Yo, what's up everyone? It's Nelson. AI is blowing up right now and for good reason. It's changing the game in pretty much every industry you can think of. So if you're trying to level up your career and dive into the world of AI, you've got to know what skills and tools are essential. That's what we're diving into today. The top tech and skills you need to know to crush it in AI. We're talking programming languages, frameworks, platforms, and even the fundamental math concepts that make it all work. Whether you're just starting out or you've already dipped your toes into data science, this video is your roadmap to navigating the exciting world of AI. Let's get right into it.
First up, we got to talk about Python. It's like the universal language of AI. If you're getting into machine learning, you're going to be using Python. It's super beginner friendly. The syntax is clean and easy to understand. Plus, there's a massive community of Python developers. Python has a ridiculous amount of libraries for AI. Heavy hitters like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. These libraries help you build and deploy powerful AI models. Python integrates seamlessly with other languages and tools. Whether it's data visualization or web development, Python's got you covered. If you're serious about AI, Python is non-negotiable.
Next up is TensorFlow, a beast of a framework developed by Google. It's a powerful open-source platform used by researchers and tech giants to build and deploy AI models. Think of TensorFlow as the engine behind your AI applications. It provides a flexible framework for defining, training, and running machine learning models. One of the coolest things about TensorFlow is its ability to handle massive data sets. This powers self-driving cars, recommendation systems, and natural language processing. Another key feature is its support for distributed computing. You can break down your training process across multiple devices, speeding up the process.
Now, before you can even think about building AI models, you got to get your data in order. That's where Pandas comes in, the ultimate Python library for data manipulation and analysis. Think of Pandas as your data cleaning and organizing toolbox. It gives you data structures like data frames, which are essentially supercharged spreadsheets that can handle massive data sets. You can use Pandas to clean messy data, filter and sort it, handle missing values, and basically get it ready for your AI models to digest. But Pandas isn't just about cleaning data. It's also incredibly powerful for analysis. You can use it to calculate statistics, group and aggregate data, and even visualize your findings using libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn. The beauty of Pandas is that it makes working with data intuitive and efficient. You can perform complex operations with just a few lines of code, freeing up your time and brainpower to focus on the bigger picture, building awesome AI applications. All right, let's talk about big data. We're talking about datasets so massive that they can't be handled by traditional data processing tools. That's where Apache Hadoop comes in, a framework designed specifically for storing and processing these colossal amounts of data. Hadoop uses a distributed file system, which means it breaks down your data and spreads it across multiple servers. This allows you to store and process data that would normally choke a single machine. Plus, Hadoop is built for fault tolerance. If one server goes down, no worries, your data is safe and sound on the other nodes. But Hadoop isn't just about storage. It also provides a powerful processing framework called MapReduce. This framework allows you to write code that can be distributed and executed in parallel across your entire dataset. If you're dealing with massive data sets in areas like social media analytics, genomics research, or financial modeling, Hadoop is an essential tool in your AI arsenal.
Now let's talk about where you're actually going to build and deploy your AI applications. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a leading cloud platform that offers a ridiculous amount of services for AI and machine learning. We're talking about services like SageMaker, which is a fully managed platform for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. It takes care of all the infrastructure and setup, so you can focus on developing your models. Then there's Rekognition, a powerful image and video analysis service that can do things like object detection, facial recognition, and even sentiment analysis. And don't forget about Comprehend, which provides natural language processing capabilities for text analysis, sentiment analysis, and topic extraction. The best part about AWS is its scalability and affordability. You can start small and scale up your resources as needed, only paying for what you use. Plus, AWS has a massive global infrastructure, so your AI applications can be deployed closer to your users, reducing latency and improving performance.
Let's talk about natural language processing, or NLP, the field of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand and process human language. And when it comes to NLP, NLTK is the OG toolkit. NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit, and it's a treasure trove of libraries, programs, and resources for working with human language data. We're talking about tools for tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, part-of-speech tagging, and much more. Whether you're building chatbots, sentiment analyzers, or language translation tools, NLTK provides the building blocks you need to process and analyze text data effectively. It's a must-have for anyone diving into the world of NLP.
Next up is OpenCV, which stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library. As the name suggests, it's all about giving your AI applications the power of sight. OpenCV is packed with algorithms and functions for image and video analysis. We're talking about everything from basic image processing tasks like filtering and edge detection to more advanced stuff like object detection, facial recognition, and even 3D reconstruction. Whether you're building self-driving cars, medical imaging software, or augmented reality applications, OpenCV provides the tools you need to process and understand visual data. Now let's talk about reinforcement learning, a type of machine learning where an agent learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards for its actions. And when it comes to reinforcement learning, OpenAI Gym is the go-to toolkit. OpenAI Gym provides a collection of environments, or gyms, where you can train your reinforcement learning agents. These environments range from classic control problems like balancing a pole on a cart to more complex games like Atari and Go. The idea is to train your agent to maximize its rewards within a given environment. OpenAI Gym provides the framework for setting up these environments, running experiments, and evaluating your agent's performance. It's an awesome tool for anyone interested in exploring the world of reinforcement learning.
In the world of AI, data is constantly flowing. We're talking about real-time streams of information from sensors, social media feeds, financial markets, and more. And to handle this deluge of data, you need a platform that can keep up. That's where Apache Kafka comes in. Kafka is a distributed event streaming platform that's built for handling high-volume real-time data feeds. It acts as a central nervous system for your data pipelines, ingesting data from various sources, processing it in real time, and making it available to downstream applications. Whether you're building fraud detection systems, recommendation engines, or real-time analytics dashboards, Kafka provides the scalability, reliability, and performance you need to handle the ever-growing flood of data.
Now, for the final piece of the puzzle, the foundation upon which all of AI is built, mathematics and statistics. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math whiz to get started with AI, but having a solid understanding of certain concepts will definitely give you an edge. We're talking about things like linear algebra, which is essential for understanding how data is represented and manipulated in AI models. Calculus is another important one, especially for understanding how models learn and optimize themselves. And of course, probability and statistics are crucial for working with data, understanding distributions, and making predictions. The good news is that there are tons of resources available online and in libraries to help you brush up on these concepts. And trust me, the more you understand the math behind AI, the better equipped you'll be to build, interpret, and troubleshoot your models. So there you have it, the top technologies and skills you need to master to thrive in the exciting world of AI. From programming languages like Python to powerful frameworks like TensorFlow and essential math concepts, we've covered a lot of ground today. Remember, the AI field is constantly evolving, so the key is to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop experimenting. The more you put these skills and tools into practice, the more confident you'll become in building your own AI applications. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. And be sure to let me know in the comments what AI projects you're most excited to tackle. Until next time, keep crushing it.